How much time do you spend sitting on a chair at your workplace? 10, 12 hours a day? Or even 20, like I do? Hello, I'm Steve, and I have created brand new wheels for the office chairs. Really cool ones. Well sliding and strong, they will easily roll over lying cords without damaging both them and your floor. They are silent, glow in the dark, and were designed to increase your comfort and get rid of that common fatigue you get so used to by the end of every working day. Exploring office chairs, I realized that wheels are as much important for them as they are for the cars. For example, the chair with the bad wheels will break much faster. Won't it, Jess? Starting to create the super wheel, I went through all the existing problems and took up solving them. Today, we can find only standard plastic wheels and a couple of alternatives. Standard plastic wheels damage floor coverings and make us spend money on the plastic mats. They cut the cords of the office equipment and increase your exhaustion during the day, making you carry the chair again and again. Moreover, they are very fragile, collect tear and trash. So, summarizing all that, regular small plastic wheels are actually a big evil, should be fought immediately. A wheel like this seems an alternative to a standard one, but in fact, they create their own useless troubles. They increase the height of the seat, which will make your legs swell. Due to weak construction, the bearings often fall out of it. And the crosspiece of the chair itself quickly breaks down because of displacement of the center of the axes. In addition to solving all these problems, I also wanted the chair with the new wheels not to look like a tractor. The goal was to create a strict, consistent, and stylish design with straight lines. This way, the STEALTHO wheel was born. In a wheelchair craft, there's a bunch of actual problems, and I have the straight decision for any of them. Problem: damaged floor. Regular wheels leave lines, scratches, some even dents. This leads people to taking unimaginable measures. Life hack number 1. Buy a special carpet and try to limit your moves within this area. Life hack number 2. Fold the wheels with soft fabric or even tape and your floor will be okay, especially if you don't ride and slide on it. Life hack number 3. A common rubber and several hours of work will make your floor shine like it's new. Well, it depends on the quality of your job. Life hack number 4. No, enough. The task is clear. We need special and strong material, which won't leave the prints while looking stylish and ergonomical. The STEALTHO wheels are made of ABS steel and elastic polyurethane. What does that mean? Elasticity and flexibility, ecological purity and safety, high coefficient of a mechanic durability. Working with this material, we reached minimum difference between the axes. That means twice less load on the crosspiece of the chair. A chair with such wheels looks very stylish. Parquet, tile, linoleum, carpet, laminate. I tested all these surfaces and realized that this is the material which won't harm any of them. Your floor will be safe without all that ugly protection. Obstacles that can be met on the floor are one more issue. That means cable, wire, thresholds, all that the wheel clings to during the day. All those tiny moves like pushing the chair back and forward, lifting it up and down, carrying it around. They not only slow down the traffic, but unnoticeably overload your muscles and spine in general. By the end of a day, our backs are full of tiredness, necks are aching, and heads are busy. But we barely blame the wheels on it. But I took it into consideration, and the results told that I was right. STEALTHO wheel carries the quality bearing, and their shape and size are just as they have to be. STEALTHO wheel is strong and lets you quickly and comfortably break the obstacles you meet without any efforts and painful outcome by the end of a day. More to say, I managed to make them silent. It is a common misbelief the wheel should produce that awful noise. Well, it shouldn't. But the perfect wheel means comfort not only while moving, but also while staying still. The possibility to freeze the wheel is a super option, complementing your workplace effort. That's why two leading STEALTHO wheels have an ergonomic brake system. What this gives: first, static chair means safety. Second, decent fixation means maximum comfortable seat, which evenly distribute the load on the spine. There's one more trouble left, which bothers me and my little toe. Often, when I work until late night, I turn off the PC and hit my little toe with the wheel of a chair. That irritates me a lot. But my perfect STEALTHO wheel glows in the dark for you not to be irritated. The main part of the problem is its correct solution, and we can say that all the problems of the wheels for the chairs are 100% solved. STEALTHO solution. Just get new shoes for your chair. The changing process won't take a lot, and in the end, you will be totally happy.